Now the First Alert forecast with meteorologist Kai O'Mara.
Good morning, everybody. While storm systems like this are very rare in May, it has happened before. In fact, this is a picture sent to us on Tuesday. This is from Mary Kay Bartz in Waukon. This is her mom at the senior class picnic, 1947, up in Waukon. 7 inches of snow fell out of that 2-day snowstorm. This particular one has a very different look to it. And this one is going to be a little more significant, too, than what happened back in 1947. Otherwise, we haven't had any large snowstorms in May really since then. Here's live First Alert pinpoint Doppler radar, mainly just dealing with some rain over us right now. However, notice out towards central Iowa, there's some moderate to at times heavy snow out here. Some of these school districts out here, north central and central Iowa, a few of them aren't even going today because of what's occurring out there. From 4 to 6 inches of snow has already come down, with some higher amounts that are certainly going to be a possibility out there too. This is just the very beginning of this snowstorm out in central Iowa. Here in our region, it's mainly going to be a glancing blow from Waverly back through Waterloo, points towards the west, out towards Parkersburg right now. Farther to the south, it's mainly just in the form of some scattered rain showers. All this moisture, though, lifting straight from the south towards the north. It's going to be around here for a while, mainly in the form of rain. But notice from roughly Decorah to Waterloo to Tama, points towards the west. That's where we are starting to see the opportunity for temperatures to fall and also a rain-snow mix to start up shortly. In fact, a winter weather advisory does continue through early afternoon. This is west of Waterloo. It does involve Grundy County, Butler County, and points towards the west. That means slick roads are going to be likely as well as some accumulating snows. In fact, 1 to 3 inches worth in the advisory area, about a trace to an inch then. A couple tiers of counties farther to the east. Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, Washington, Dubuque, and Prairie du Chien. Ike will be just a little bit too far to the east to actually see anything stick. But all the same, it's going to be one of the coldest May rains you've experienced in a long, long time. In fact, here's the latest from the Iowa State Patrol, looking at mostly to completely covered roadways out there, especially over north central Iowa, where we have seen some significant snowfall accumulations. Parkersburg on the city cam this morning, it's all rain for right now. Continuing to watch it though. Waterloo at 36, Parkersburg at 36, Vinton right now down to 35, wind chills in the 20s and 30s out there this morning. Here's Pinpoint Futurecast, picking it up early here today. It's going to take a long time for this moisture to move through. In fact, several days of rain likely here across our region. Northwestern counties still continuing to see a rain-snow mix. The possibility does exist for a complete transition to snowfall as well. Going throughout the overnight hours, still mainly rain, still a mix farther northwest, and it transitions to all rain as we go throughout the day here on Friday. Now again, we are looking at pretty significant rainfall amounts, probably on the order of 2 to 3 inches of rain area-wide by the time we get to the upcoming weekend. Still some light scattered activity lingering here as we go into the day here on Saturday. Saturday afternoon is still looking wet across the region. Same story here on Sunday. Here's the First Alert forecast for the day today. Some 30s northwest, low to mid 40s farther south. Rain-snow mix is likely today. Gusty north winds 15 to 25. Lows tonight down around freezing at Waterloo. 34 Cedar Rapids. A rain-snow mix likely. Mainly rain. Cedar Rapids southeast. Winds out of the north 15 to 25. Friday, a chilly rain continues at 45 degrees. Saturday, low to mid 50s. Sunday, same story. Still some scattered showers. Finally, though, low pressure moves towards the east. We get back in the 60s and 70s, closer to average again to start next week. Temperatures at night getting a bit better as well. So just be aware of that. It'll be real interesting coming up here the next several days.
You know, we've all three of us have basically lived in Iowa our entire lives, almost, and I never can remember anything like this in May.
No, I've seen flurries once,
but
that was it. I didn't actually ever see anything stick to the ground before.
I spent 3 years in southeast Minnesota. Glad I left when I did, because up there they're looking at 6 inches of
or more
snow, or more.
Yeah. Already 5 on the ground up there.
Yeah. What a
More
mess.
to come.
Could be worse.
Yeah. Thanks, Kai.
Go north, yep.